In a collision between two motorcycles on Saturday night, 3 individuals lost their lives and 1 was injured. The deceased have been identified as Risha Debbarma, Indrajit and Tutan. The injured person is Rakesh Debbarma. The incident occurred in front of the Chorilam Petrol Pump. A tragic bike collision on Saturday night resulted in the deaths of 3 individuals and left 2 others injured. The deceased have been identified as Risha Debbarma, Indrajit and Tutan. The injured individuals are Rakesh Debbarma, who is the brother-in-law of Indrajit and Risha Debbarma, and 1 other person. All 4 individuals involved in the accident were rushed to a nearby hospital by fire service personnel for immediate medical treatment. Upon arrival, doctors declared 3 of the individuals deceased.
কোথায় হয়েছে জানেন?
শুনেছি চরিলাম বিউসির সামনে হয়েছে।
কতজন ইনজিউর্ড হয়েছে?
ইনজিউর্ড তো 4 জনের মধ্যে 3 জন ব্রডডেড।
3 জন মারা গেছে?
আর একজন রেফার করা হয়েছে।
4 জন ছিল? 3 জনই স্পটেড। এর মধ্যে এখানে ফিমেল মেল কতজন?
ফিমেল একজন আর মেল
আই থিঙ্ক তারা বোধহয় উপজাতীয় দুজন নাকি? কোনো পরিচয় পাওয়া গেছে না এখন পর্যন্ত?
The injured Rakesh Debbarma was later referred to the GB hospital in Agartala for further treatment. Reported by Jivan from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.